out of courtesy to the Attorney General. Thank you for coming, and welcome to the Assembly Committee on Banking.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. First, there are many homeowners who are in this room who have traveled quite some distance to be here, and I'd ask that we could acknowledge them by asking them to stand.
Excuse me, we don't allow applause here.
They can, yes,
but thank you for standing, and we do recognize you being here.
But I want to thank them for traveling, and I want to thank you, Mr. Chairman, for your leadership. I am looking forward, as are they, to a robust hearing on these bills. As the chair and members know, this is about what we are calling the California Homeowner Bill of Rights. And it is simply about bringing transparency and fairness to California's rules around the process of foreclosure. This is not about ideology. This is not about politics. This is not about red or blue. It's about simply saying that as it relates to the dual track procedure, we allow homeowners to have an opportunity to keep their home because the rules are fair in telling them how to go through the modification process while a foreclosure is pending. The second bill is equally straightforward and practical, a common sense fix to the problem that countless homeowners have in California when going through the foreclosure process. They are confused by a system that does not give them one person to talk with about how they can navigate the foreclosure system. I have heard countless stories up and down the state in every district represented in this room of homeowners who are going through the process of foreclosure and call up the servicing institution, and if they speak with anyone, that person invariably is unfamiliar with their case and does not have the paperwork. Countless stories of those homeowners who then call over and over, having to retell a very difficult and emotionally painful story, and then go to the corner store or somewhere else to fax 50, 60 pages of documents, only to require that they're told how they can navigate the system. So the second bill would be very simple and requiring a single point of contact. I look forward to a robust conversation about the details of these two bills. I thank everyone here for your leadership. I do believe that the members who are here today understand the seriousness of that. And this issue is in California right now, we have 500,000 homeowners who are currently in the foreclosure pipeline. We have been hardest hit. At one time last year, we had 9 of the 10 top cities in the country hardest hit by the foreclosure crisis. California received $18 billion from a settlement that recognized that there was a great deal of pain experienced in our state. And those numbers represent a very, very important fact. They represent families. Families who believe in the American dream and want to keep their home and are willing to pay to do so. This bill is simply about making it a fair system if they're able to do that. And so I appreciate everyone's support. I appreciate your leadership. I look forward to working with everyone here. And Mr. Chair, I thank you particularly.